Assalamualaikum. I am Marina Kashif, your teacher of Digital Logic Designs. For these lectures, I am the book Digital Fundamentals written by Thomas L. Floyd, and it is the 11th edition. Our today's topic is binary arithmetic. Binary addition, like A plus B, binary subtraction, A minus B, binary multiplication, A dot B, and binary division, A by B. It is very much similar to our decimal arithmetic. Let's start from binary addition. There are four basic rules which are very necessary to learn. If a binary number is 0 added by 0, the sum will be 0 and the carry is 0. In binary addition or binary arithmetic, carry has very importance. If 0 is added in 1, 1 will be the sum and carry will be the 0. If 1 is again added to 0, in this manner, the sum is 1 and carry is 0. Very important part. If 1 is added by 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. It is not 10, it is in binary, it is 2. According to the weight of the 0 is 2 power 0 and the weight of 1 is 2 power 1. So the number is 2. The sum is 0 and the carry is 1. This is a very important part. Notice that the first three rules result in a single bit, and in the fourth rule, the addition of two ones yield a binary number 2. When a binary numbers are added, the last condition creates a sum of 0 in a given column and a carry 1 over the next column to the left for most significant digits. When there is a carry of 1, you have a situation in which 3 bits are being added, like this. Like you can see, I am adding 1 with 0. 1 0 gives me 0 and the carry is 1. So 1 0 0 gives me 1. Carry bits. I am repeating this to have a look that these are very important. If I am adding 1 with 1, the answer is 2 and the carry is 1. If I am adding 3 bits, then again answer is 2, the carry is 1. If I am adding these 3 bits which are 1 1 1, the answer is 3. It means that I will write the sum 1 and the carry 1. For your practice, I am showing you few questions. In among them, I will only perform one for. I am doing part B, in which I am adding 1 0 0 with 1 0. Through vertical addition, you can see it like this. 0 0 gives me 0, 0 1 gives me 1, and 1 gives me 1. In decimal, the first digit is 4, the second is 2, and the answer is 6. Binary subtraction. In binary subtraction, first digit is 0 and the second digit is 0, then the difference is 0 and I don't need any borrow. But if the first digit is 0 and the second digit is 1, then I definitely need a borrow because the first digit is smaller than second digit. I will take the borrow 1, and after taking borrow 1, this number becomes 2 and 2 minus 1 gives me 1. If first digit is greater than second digit, the difference is 1, no borrow. If first and second digit both are equal, then difference is 0 and borrow is 0. So the most important part in this is this one, that if the number is first digit is less than second digit, then I take borrow, and this borrow not making it 10, it will make it 2, and 2 minus 1 gives me 1. I am highlighting it here that 1 0 minus 1, you cannot read it like this 10 minus 1. It is 1 0 means 2 minus 1 gives you 1. For your practice, I am giving 4 questions to you and I will perform one for you. I am doing part C, in which I am subtracting 101 and 011. 101 is subtracting 011. 11 gives me 0. 0, 1, as you can see that this number is less than 1, so I am taking a borrow, making it 2, and 2 minus 1 gives me 1, 0, 0, 0. In decimal, the first digit is 5, second digit is 3, the answer is 2, and in binary you can also see it is 2. Binary multiplication. Binary multiplication of two bits is the same as multiplication of decimal digits. There are four basic rules: 0 by 0, 0, 0 by 1, 1, 1 times 0, 0, 1 times 1 gives me 1. Let us perform these two parts, and I am doing one part. I am doing part B, in which I am multiplying 101 times 111. You can see 1 by 1 multiplied by 1 gives me 1, 101, 111. Similarly, for the second step, I again get 101, and the third step, I am also again getting 101. I am adding them, and this is my answer. Now I am writing it in decimal. In decimal, the first digit according to weights is 5, and the other number is 1247. The next number is 7. So after multiplying 7, 5, 35, you can see according to weights, the weight of this is 0, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So this is 32 plus 2 plus 1, and it gives me 35. Binary division. Division in binary follow the same procedure as division in decimal. Same as in decimal. So let's just perform these divisions, and I'm doing here. I'm doing part A, in which I'm dividing 110 by 11. It is similar to decimal division. As you can see, the first two digits, they are divisible, and I'm left with 0. So the answer is 2. In decimal, the greater number is 6, and the divisor is 3. My quotient is 2. So this division is correct, and it is very similar to the decimal division. For your practice, I am sharing few questions with you of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, and I am waiting for your answers in comments. Thank you very much. And our next lecture will be about binary coded decimal, gray code, and ASCII code.